Hello everyone, welcome back to Vidyavardhini Academy YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important topics in chemistry, that is the mole concept. Many students find this chapter confusing, but today I will explain this in a very simple way with easy examples, right? So let us begin. First it is what is mole concept. Let us understand what a mole means. Okay, in physics usually we will say if we want to measure any object, we measure in terms of kg. If it is 1 kg, we call it as it is 1 kilogram, and if it is 5 kg, we call it as it is 5 times heavier than 1 kg, isn't it? In a similar way, in chemistry, atoms and molecules are extremely tiny. So, scientists are using a unit called a mole. A mole is a counting unit that we are going to use in chemistry. Just like we use, 12 items that refers to 1 dozen, in chemistry we use this word called mole to represent a very large number of particles. Now I am going to introduce exactly the value of that 1 mole. 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. How this value is derived, that I will be explaining that in another video, how exactly this mole value is introduced. Okay, this number is also referred as Avogadro's number. This number is also referred as Avogadro's number. This number is also referred as Avogadro's number. Next question comes, why actually we need to use this mole? Why do we use mole? Why do we use this mole? Atoms are too small to count individually. We cannot count that very tiny particles. So instead of counting one atom at a time, scientists started measuring the substances by using moles. This makes calculation easier for us. Then what exactly is the formula? So the formula is, now let us learn the most important formula in this mole concept, that is number of moles. N equals to given mass divided by molecular mass. Given mass divided by molecular mass. Okay. Molecular mass, it refers to, if it is an atom, we consider it as the atomic mass. If it is a molecule, we will consider it an molecular mass in grams. Simple example. I will take here one simple example. Let us solve here one numerical. The numerical is, find the number of moles. Find the number of moles in 18 grams of water. Okay. So this 18 gram of water is the given mass. Now let us understand, N equals to, given mass is represented by small m, and molecular mass, of course you know that it is represented by capital M. Given mass is 18 grams, and molecular mass is molecular mass of water is 18 grams. 18 divided by 18, you will get 1. So the number of moles of water in 18 grams of water is 1 mole. So 18 grams of water contains 1 mole of water molecules. This is how we calculate the particles in terms of moles. Okay. Then how this is connected to number of particles. Now I am explaining how moles are connected to number of particles. Suppose if we know the number of moles, then we can also calculate particles. That is by using a formula, particles equals to moles into Avogadro's constant, that is Na. This is how we calculate the number of particles by using moles. So 1 mole always contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules. Okay, this is there are two formulas which you must remember. This is the first formula, and the next formula is particles equals to moles into Avogadro's constant. Now I will give you quick tips how to remember this concept very easily. Okay, always remember and always write the units carefully. Memorize Avogadro's constant number. Practice formula daily and solve some small numerical initially and then start to solve the difficult numericals as well. Okay, and what are the common mistakes that students do in this concept is forgetting the units and using wrong molecular mass. If you use wrong molecular mass, your answer will be wrong. Getting confusion with atoms and molecules. Okay, these are the mistakes. Try to avoid all this. Always check calculations carefully. Okay, so in today's video, we learnt about what is a mole, what is Avogadro's number, mole formula, and a numerical problem. Okay, in the upcoming videos, we will be solving other numericals related to mole concept. Hope this video help you. Practice a few problems daily and mole concept will become definitely very easy. Thank you for watching and we will solve remaining other numericals in the upcoming videos. So please do follow our channel Vidyavardhini Academy. Thank you.